Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Kreditbee app and selecting Complete KYC. Have Aadhaar and PAN nearby. You will authenticate with OTP and biometric options. Once done, allow camera and storage permissions so document photos upload smoothly. Make sure your phone has steady internet and at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions. This first step captures identity basics quickly. The app validates format and flags mismatches, so double-check name and DOB fields before moving on to the next stage. You now photograph documents using the in-app camera. Hold steady, use daylight and avoid flash glare so OCR reads text accurately. Select Aadhaar front or back, then PAN, and follow on-screen guides to crop and confirm. Once the app extracts details, review the OCR results carefully and correct any typos, mismatches, slow approval. If biometric or eKYC is requested, follow the live instructions. This step proves identity in real time, reducing manual review and speeding final approval. You submit your KYC once all fields and uploads are correct, then wait for confirmation via SMS or email. Processing can take from 1 hour up to 24 hours. If the application is rejected, review the rejection reason, correct mismatched name or DOB, and upload clearer photos. Glare and low resolution are common causes. If problems persist, use the app's support chat or helpline, provide the reference ID, and ask for manual review. This usually resolves edge cases faster and prevents repeated rejections.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.